Okay, so we just found, since we started shooting really late, we're just going to shoot at night. We're just looking for lights.
Yes.
And so we're going to try and use the lights coming from these windows, as well as the light that's coming up from the top there. So, yeah, let's see if what we can manage to get from here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so tell us a little bit about your experience so far.
We're in Canoga Park, Sherman Way. This is home.
Okay.
This is very close to my heart.
Okay.
I grew up around here, so us shooting, Marco and I, this is like another part of me. Like, it's cool. Like all the different lights and shops here. This is kind of what makes Canoga Park.
What is this? Exotic reptiles?
Should we?
Yeah. That's perfect, actually. Let's get some shots here. Okay, so as for those of you watching, you can see this is pretty much what we're doing.
And this is how we always do it.
Yeah.
This is how we
because
always
we were
do
gonna
it.
shoot. We were gonna shoot earlier, right? And then things didn't work out, and by the time we left, it was already quite late.
6.
Yeah, it was already 6:30, I think, actually.
Ish.
And the sun goes down at around 6:30.
Yeah.
So
We're chasing light.
Yeah, so instead we decided to do a night shoot, and here we are. Okay, all right. Okay, so I just took a few with the iPhone, and now what I want to do is I want to try and shoot a couple with my A6000. So let's see what we get, okay?
Yes.
we're gonna cross the street. We're gonna go into that bus stop
I want that
that's got the panels. It's got the light panels around it, and then that should give us like a good.
Maybe we could have a bus stop.
You know what I mean? That could be what?
We can have a bus stop.
Yeah. I mean, the whole reason we came out here was to see if we could get a bus stop.
Yeah. And
We've just been getting distracted by all the different lights. Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, yeah.
And it says, welcome to Canoga.
All right, so. All right, let's see if we can do whatever it is in here.
That's freaking gonna be the intro to my...
All right, so I guess they're having some, whatever, we're gonna use this sign for light.
Okay.
Okay?
You want me to just sit
Yeah,
there? Okay.
sit there. Okay. So I just have to find the right angle. Okay, all right. We've been shooting here on this bus stop bench.
It's a good bench.
The thing is, if you look around here, there isn't really much space. I'm shooting with the iPhone, which is a wider angle lens, but there isn't much space for me to shoot. So I haven't been shooting with my regular camera. I've been shooting with the iPhone and using the wide lens for it. So if you're wondering how I'm getting the kind of light that I'm getting with my phone, it's not so much the phone, although the phone is great. What it is that your camera will normally expose like this. And if you lower it, if you tap on it, and then you lower the thing, then it will drop the exposure. And that's basically what's happening right now. Because we're somewhere around here or so. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get a couple of shots with my regular camera. And then we are going to try and shoot some next to this billboard here that's lit up, that's backlit, and see if we can use the light from there. I don't know if it'll work or not, but let's try. But so far, everything you've seen has been shot with the iPhone. Okay? Let's see. All right, should we call it, or do you want to do some more? It's up to you.
Oh, there's a...
Because I'll shoot forever, you know what I mean?
Say, there's an adult book.
Ooh, this could be cool.
Right? Like real... right? No. But I'll be like next to... like in the middle, but then I'll be like... I'm going to
All
be
covered.
clothed, you know?
Yeah, that's tight. That's totally tight. Oh, but you can see your stomach, so like, where you want to cover it?
Yeah.
So it looks all, yes, there you go. Super contrast. agree. We both feel our creativity kind of going away. So I think what we're gonna do is, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one more set here, because the last couple of sets have been I think the light hasn't really been good, but this might be interesting.
Contemporary one, that's right.
Yeah, I like those too.
Those are bomb.
I think after that
After that
I got hungry. Yeah. yeah, pretty much. So we'll just do a couple here, and then we'll go grab a bite to eat.
Yes.
Okay. Hungry. I think that was it for today.
That's the last bit of gas.
Even my stabilizer's running out of battery.
Yes.
So I think
let me walk
through. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe if you'd like, and yeah, a special thanks to Paula for being so amazing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.